Hey, I'm going live here just to wait and see how things open up. Looking at Palantir, PLTR. I got a million alerts going off here. Looks like it's respecting 30. Well, that's a good alert. Which one was that? Probably Tilray. Nope. 2U maybe. Let's look at 2U. Let's look at SLV. I like to let things settle in. Don't want to jump into things with all the animals. That's how you get ripped up. I've learned my lesson. Gotta watch and see how things open up. I think live streaming helps me control that. Hence, control the trade. So far, so good. STNG is looking great. I'm gonna have to turn those alert bells off. This one's one I'm actually holding. Same with 2U. Looking for a short squeeze in 2U. A lot of attention on PLTR today. I have a lot of alerts going off. I'm going to take a look on my phone, see what's going on, because I have a lot of alerts sent to my phone. Let's see how Fisker's doing. I just got reminded of Fisker. There we go. Look at that. Made a video on Fisker. You should watch that. Ameren, also one that I'm watching. Not a good start. Well, look at AMD. Looks like it's coming in as support here. Oops. Let's look at the daily on AMD. 50 period moving average. It's right here. 9201. Where are we? We're at 93. Let's set an alert down here. It's real tempting to just jump into stuff, which I normally do, and I think I actually went live just to kind of stop myself from doing that. A good time to jump in is after, let's say, 9:40, 9:45 Eastern. What is Sava doing today? That's a surprise. I thought that would open green. NVCN. Nice start. Now, this is the pre-market, by the way, and then just the white space is now. So that's a nice opening candle so far. Man, I'm getting a lot of alerts going off. Mara, of course. Been talking about this one for a while, as have many others. Let's look at the daily and see where we're at. Look at that. We gapped over my number. That's always bullish. We gapped over 40.70. Where's our open? Was at. Where's the open? 41.96. 41.70 was also important. That's not on the chart. A lot of hype. A lot of FOMO. TRCH has been brought to my attention. Let's look at that one. Wow, look at that gap. Set an alert down here. I don't even know if my audio, hopefully my audio is working. I just jumped right on here. This one's interesting. All right. Loving 2U right now. That is a beautiful chart right now. It just smells like a short squeeze in the process. There's just not enough volume on this though. Maybe today that'll change things. Let's look at one that it's off my radar now is Nikola. Of course. Let's see. Ooh, that's a bad sound. Let's see what just happened there. Ameren. Did Ameren go below my number? Oh. I love this one going long term here. You want to call it a swing trade, you want to call it just holding it for a few months. I think the risk reward on Ameren, AMRN, is amazing. My number to get out is any close below $7. I can kind of restart my thought process on this. So look at the support we have down here. Is fantastic. And it's come down so much, and there's such a high short float on it that the potential is incredible. I'm gonna make a video on that one later. Getting a lot of alerts. I think I gotta jump in soon. Wow, look at some of these big names just busting out. Adobe over 500. CRM's making a comeback here. Look at that. That is a great open. At least this pre-market candle. I'm going to have to jump off soon so I can start to focus again. Here's one that I keep seeing everyone bring up randomly. I don't understand it. I had an alert call from this one. It's in a nice uptrend though. Doesn't matter what the ticker is to me as long as the chart looks good. It's tradable. Let's go back though to some of the most important ones that I'm focusing on today. Silver, really ugly move here pre-market. It was looking so good overnight. Completely tricked me. I thought we were going to find support down here and then rally up. Still could happen, but right now silver's looking really ugly. I was expecting a big day from Apple today, and so far getting just the opposite. We'll set an alert down here. But let's see PLTR, where we started. Did we break over 30 yet? Unbelievable. 30 is still the resistance. Can't touch it. Not yet. A couple more, I'm going to sign off here. TU looking good. Sava. How about GameStop? I know I could have multiple charts up, by the way, but kind of like this, just a view on one stock. And I've got other screens over here besides this. Let's see how PSTI is doing. That one I feel like it's kind of under the radar. Not much going on yet. And this one. There was some crazy activity on Ocular Sciences on Friday, or Ocular Therapeutics. I think Ocular Sciences is a really old company. I probably traded like in the early 2000s, if I look that up. Let's see. How about some alerts here? Did we respect the low of this candle? The low is 1990. Spiked it a little bit. 1941. Let's see how PLTR, Mara. It's almost 9:40, so I'm probably going to jump in the fray here soon. A lot of alerts going off still. I really like FSR right now. Not the best open. And it's not bad, obviously. You know what's looking good right now? Not a fan favorite, but Exxon. That's a nice looking chart that I need to update. 45 was my breakout area, support area, and look how it really respected that. Just have to stay above 45, and there's a lot more room to the upside. I wonder how CVS is doing, another stock that I'm sure most of you find boring. That one's pretty good. STNG. Nice. Sava, what are you doing? Okay, I'm ready to jump in somewhere here. Maybe I'll do one trade before I log off. Maybe FSR. Add my position. Wow, more alerts going off. They reported earnings. Apple is still in the dumper. You know what's happening right now is I'm getting a lot of late alerts. I love Thinkorswim. That's the sarcasm. It's telling me the prices are above certain prices when those alerts should have gone off 10 minutes ago. So I just got an alert for PLTR that it's below 30. We know that. Hasn't really been above 30 for much time at all. We opened right above it though, which is interesting. I'm going to set one more alert. Alright. That's going to do it for now. Nothing really going on yet. Although there's one more I want to see here. Nope. All weak openings. Let's see how the SPY's doing. You know what? The SPI, I have to update this too. This was the former high, not too long ago high. SPY has a nice gap open. I think maybe we're just going to go fill that gap and then take off from there. I think it's a little trickery going on right now, a little gap and crap, or a little, people maybe think there's a blow off top happening here or something like that. But to me it looks like we're just going to go fill a gap, and then we still have the 20 down here. We have this former Friday's high, I guess this was, or Friday's close, can't remember. I mean, this chart is plenty bullish. There's still upside. As hard as that is to believe, there's still plenty of upside here. Until there's not, until we get the rug pull. Wow, look at AMD. We looked at that earlier in the video. I'm glad I didn't touch that. You gotta wait till these things kind of play out. Let the pattern play out. Maybe we get one more bar down here, one more candle down, and then we find support somewhere. That's what you use your hourly charts for, your 4-hour chart. Those are good ways to tell that. And then of course our daily chart, did we hit the 50? $91.99, and the low is, oops, $92.19. Interesting. It's close. Not much of a reaction off that area though, which is bearish. You want a nice reaction on an important moving average like that. And my AMD alert just went off under 93, which makes no sense because, again, thanks Thinkorswim for being very late on that. Palantir, the way it looks right now, is it might test the pre-market low. There's just nothing going on with it. It's really bearish looking. Don't force this trade. You really have to get back above 30 at least, and the high of this candle to get anything going. Well, thanks for watching, and good luck today. Remember, don't let the trade control you.